Ever pondered about the experience of exploring the mystique of Angkor Wat? Allow me to introduce you to this wonder. Angkor Wat, the world's largest and most iconic religious monument, stands in all its glory in Siem Reap, Cambodia. This architectural marvel, with its intricate carvings and grandeur, has been recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its enchanting beauty and serenity continue to captivate millions. So the question arises, what makes Angkor Wat so captivating? To understand the allure of Angkor Wat, we must journey back in time. Picture this, the early 12th century, a time of grandeur and spiritual devotion. The Khmer King Suryavarman II envisioned a masterpiece, a monumental tribute to the Hindu god Vishnu. Thus, Angkor Wat was born. This majestic temple complex, nestled amidst verdant jungles, was the heart of a thriving civilization. Its intricate bas-reliefs and towering spires are testament to the exquisite artistry and architectural prowess of the Khmer people. Over the centuries, as dynasties rose and fell, Angkor Wat underwent a profound transformation. It transitioned from a Hindu sanctuary to a Buddhist temple, reflecting the shifting spiritual landscape of the region. The unique architectural style of Angkor Wat, deeply rooted in the classical style of Khmer architecture, is a harmonious blend of symbolism, symmetry, and proportion. This historical marvel, rich in culture and architecture, has much more to offer. Now imagine yourself standing at the entrance of this magnificent temple complex. As the first rays of the sun peek over the horizon, the silhouette of Angkor Wat, etched against the fiery morning sky, takes your breath away. It's a sight to behold, a moment suspended in time, as the ancient world greets the new day. You tread softly, moving towards the central temple complex, its 5 towering spires reaching towards the heavens, a testament to the architectural prowess of the Khmer Empire. As you navigate the labyrinthine corridors, you're drawn to the intricate bas-relief carvings, each narrating a tale from Hindu mythology, a visual epic etched in stone. Next, you find yourself in front of the libraries, repositories of ancient knowledge, their silent walls whispering tales of grandeur and decline. Your journey continues with a leisurely stroll around the reflecting pools, their mirror-like surfaces capturing the temple's majesty, offering a moment of tranquil reflection. But amidst this exploration, a sense of reverence persists. Angkor Wat is not just an archaeological marvel but also a sacred place of worship. As you traverse its hallowed grounds, remember to tread lightly, speak softly, and respect its sanctity. This isn't just about sightseeing, it's an immersion into a spiritual journey, a communion with the divine. As you leave with a heart full of memories and a camera full of captivating images, you realize the true grandeur of Angkor Wat.